All right, let's do this. So I'm on the adding with mixed numbers side. So remember our steps. So first step is skip count. Second step is where you have to multiply to make your equivalent fraction. So remember, you multiply the top and bottom by whatever you need to get to your least common multiple, which is what you did skip counting, because that's your least common denominator. And then step 3 is add or subtract your numerators. The one extra step for subtraction is I may need to borrow if I don't have enough. So just remember, if you borrow 1 whole, if it was fourths, I'm adding 4 fourths. So you're not adding just 1 in front of the numerator like you do with base 10 numbers. Okay? So number 1, 4 7/8 plus 1/8. We already have a least common denominator, so I don't need to do step 1 or 2. So 4 7/8 plus 1/8, I'm just going to add the numerators. 7 plus 1 is 8, so I have 4 8/8, which I should rewrite because I have 4 wholes and 8/8 is 1 whole, so that is 5. So number 1, I should have got 5. Number 2, 4 7/8 plus 1/4. What's the least common multiple of 8 and 4? So 4 and 8, I can see the first match is 8. So I need to change 4 7/8. I can keep because it already has 8 as a denominator. And then 1/4, to turn a fourth to an eighth, 4 times what is 8? It's 2. And whatever I multiply the bottom by, I multiply the top. So 4 times 2 is 8, 1 times 2 is 2. So now I have 4 7/8 plus 2/8. 4 plus nothing is 4. 7 plus 2 is 9/8. 4 9/8. Remember, 8/8 equals 1 whole. So I have 4 plus 1, which is our 8/8. And then I have 1 more to get to 9/8. 8/8 plus 1/8 is 9/8. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And then I have 1/8 left over. All right. Number 3, 4 7/8 plus 1/2. 8 is even, so I know I can turn a 2 into an 8. So I have 4 7/8. I need to turn 1/2 into 8ths. So 2 times what makes 8? It is 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. So 4 7/8 plus 4/8. 7 plus 4 is 11. So I have 11/8 and then the 4 wholes. Again, pull out 1 more whole. 8/8 plus 3/8 equals my 11/8. This 8/8 is 1 whole, so I have 4 plus 1, which is 5, and then 3/8 left over. So the sum is 5 3/8. Number 4, I don't have common denominators, so I need to skip count. 4 and 3, what is my least common denominator? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 3, 6, 9, 12. So my least common denominator is 12. So 2 3/4, 1/3. I'm going to change them both to 12ths, so I'll have 2 and something 12ths plus something 12ths. 4 times what makes 12? Well, 4 times 3 is 12, so I have to multiply the top by 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. So 2 3/4 is equivalent to 2 9/12. 1/3 equals how many 12ths? Well, 3 times what is 12? 3 times, well, I could just go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So I have to multiply the top by 4. And 1 times 4 is 4. So 1/3 is equivalent to 4/12. Now I can add them up. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13/12, which I can change to 12/12 is equal to 1, and then I would have 1/12 more to get to 13/12, so 1 1/12. Don't forget about that whole number. 2 plus 1 is 3, so I have 3 1/12. That's my answer. Number 5. 4s and 3s again, 4ths and 3rds. I know my common denominator is going to be 12. So I have 2 and something 12ths plus some other amount of 12ths. So 4 times what is 12? I already skip counted. 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3, so 3 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times what makes 12? Because I have 2/3 this time. 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4 is 12, so I have to multiply the top by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So 9/12 plus 8/12. 9 plus 8 is 17/12. That's an improper fraction. Pull out your one whole. 12/12 is 1. 12 plus what is 17? 5. So I have 5/12 left over. So it's 1 and 5/12, but I have to add this whole number. Don't forget about it. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 3 and 5/12. And number 6. 4ths and 6ths. What's my least common multiple, which will be my least common denominator? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 6, 12. Oh, stop right there. My least common denominator is 12. So 2 and 3/4 is going to equal 2 and something 12ths. 5/6 is going to equal something 12ths. 6 times what is 12? Well, I did it right here. 1, 2. What do I multiply the top by? 2. 5 times 2 is 10. So 5/6 equals 10/12ths. 4 times what is 12? 1, 2, 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So 3 times 3 is 9/12ths. So I have 2 and 9/12ths plus 10/12ths. 9 plus 10 is 19/12ths. So pull out my 12/12ths. I have one whole. 7/12ths left to get to 19, so it's 1 and 7/12ths plus that 2 wholes. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 7/12ths. Hopefully you did good or something, I don't know. Yay!